Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 93 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, we read the questions, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, and we put them here for you. So in today's episode, we're talking about 5 minutes between drinks. Speaking of drinks, spiked milkshakes. Somebody's going on a new cruise line? Treating the spa like the casino? And who has the most cruise days? Alright, question one. This cruiser just got off the Carnival Dream and they said it was absolutely amazing. The only issue they had was the drinks. They wanted to know why they have to wait 5 minutes between alcoholic drinks and non-alcoholic drinks, like soda. John hoped they had an amazing cruise and said it's purely to stop people from purchasing drinks for other people. So it may seem petty, but it does all add up. So we know we can always get a bottle of water when we get our drinks. This way when you're walking around, you're staying hydrated, and you don't wake up the next morning going, oh, and they don't have a problem doing that, oddly enough. But if you wanted to get like a drink and then a soda, that's taking revenue away from Carnival, if you ask me, because then you're handing out your free soda. But anyway, that's if you have the Bubbles package. Water with the Cheers package is free, so get your free water. It's good. Keeps you hydrated. Question two. They wanted to know why don't all of the coffee shops on Carnival offer spiked milkshakes? They're on the Valor and they were able to get them, but on the Breeze, they weren't. What gives? They want to know. John said it's just how some of the ships have been designed. He will pass this along to his colleagues to see if they will consider adding it to more ships because that is a good idea. And for Carnival, it would be more revenue. You add that liquor in there, that milkshake goes up tremendously in cost. So you're only keeping a couple different bottles behind the bar or coffee shop, if you will. So I don't know. I think it's a great idea myself. So if you like the milkshakes and you like the spiked ones, he's going to try to get them in more coffee shops. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question three. After 30 cruises with Carnival for this cruiser and 51 cruises for his wife on Carnival, the wife made a decision to try a new cruise line next week. He wanted some advice from John. He had a couple questions. He said, do you think she's having mental issues? And how should they handle this? Divorce? Ignore it? And hope it goes away? They're at a loss. John was very polite and wished her a fabulous time. And when she's ready to come back, Carnival is ready to say welcome home. The comments on this one got quite funny. One of them was, next week a new cruise line, next week a new wife. So it was great. Not more of a question, but it's still quite funny. Figured we'd share that one with you. Question four. This cruiser asked if they ever thought about treating the spa like the casino. You can give frequent users discount on rooms, especially spa rooms, maybe treatments, stuff like that. So like the casino, if you play a lot, then you make it a casino offer as a bounce back. John thanked them and thought they should look into this. He said they've already suggested something similar to people looking at the new loyalty program. Ooh, so a little hint on the new loyalty program there. But yeah, he said it's something they will definitely consider. He'll bring it up. Last question. This cruiser wanted to know what were the most cruises that he knew someone had been on. John said right now there is one gentleman that has over 2,100 days, and he is the most frequent cruiser. He is currently on the celebration for the next 15 weeks. Not days, weeks. Wow, that would be pretty damn cool. Anyway, that's been episode 93 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.